Munachie ebi na munene omukuru David Kenani Maraga ni anyakabaga kwarira ikikirira kumiki gitambukiro gyokorigia kaba omurai bwense ya Kenya kagukwana n'abasaye bali bakorigia ebirogo kurwase kiama kiaye niganyakabaga kwandike buna ogwetera gose amakungu abasaye beterere chinga kicho korobekana gwa Chelsea nakyo kiamaete omong'uso bokogania anyora libaga lyogosira abakenya na igerenga ekyo gyokorigia ekiro gy'oburai bwense no giachakire tabu.
Then came last year. And the Gen Zs were protesting. I saw one news clip that made all the difference. That news clip where one young man was shot outside Parliament. I was horrified. And I think I was with my wife. I said, look, where are we headed? Where is this country going? I found myself speaking to myself. Then I just thought about that. I think a day or two after that, I met one or two of my friends, and I found the same horror with them, saying this country is going to the Indian Ocean. And I remember that we were at Current Club or somewhere. We were taking coffee, and he said, "Look, something must be done." I told him, "Yes, something must be done." That time I never even imagined anybody would think about it. Later on, we had friends and they talked, and to make a long story short, they encouraged me and said, look, CJ, come up. I told them, look, I have not even run for an MCA position. They said, no, you just don't worry. A leader is not necessarily a politician. Some of the politicians are the worst of leaders. And we have leaders out there, some who are captains of industry, you know who I'm talking about, who have done marvelous. So they encouraged me, and I said, well, if there is any contribution I can make to this country, to the Kenyans who love me,